Good morning, everybody. Happy fall, y'all. But it's not fall in Tennessee. But anyway, it will be. I'm going to do a quick card today. I'm going to use a card sketch from Cardztv, Mary's Kitten Kaboodle sketches. She has about 30 or so that are in her collection. I'm going to do the sketch from number 16. And I'm going to modify just a tiny bit, but not very much. But anyway, we're doing a Halloween theme. I have pre-cut a bunch of stuff so it won't take quite so long to do. I'm doing a regular A2 base, and I have some old, close to my heart paper that I don't remember the name of, but anyway, I found it and I liked it. So what you do is you cut your piece that is 4 by 5.5, and then you cut a diagonal. It would be like, well, I made 2 sheets, so you make 2 cards, and you cut a diagonal, and you use these 2 pieces from one, and then these 2 pieces for the other card. So after you've cut your diagonal, you put your paper down. And I'll just use some art glitter glue. I love this stuff. And put this down on my card base. And then I'll put this one right here, and I can scoot it over. Yeah, scoot it over a little bit. This will be on the other side. This is a really simple card, but it's really cute. And I love having the designs. If you run off her Kitten Kaboodle page, her sketches, you can go to www.cardztv.blogspot.com and go to Kitten Kaboodle, and she has about 30 maybe, but it gives you sizes and you can do alterations on the kits, whatever you want to do. The next thing I did, I went to my close to my heart collection. I found an oval and a shadow for the oval, and I've already glued those 2 together, and I'm going to put my glue on and attach that. Oh, nope, not yet. I have my ribbon. I'm gonna put some fancy glitter ribbon down. I'll just put glue right on here. I cut it a little bit big so I can trim it off. And I'll start right here and glue it down, and then I can trim it off right there. And now I'm ready for my oval. And on top of the oval, I went back to the close to my heart, the new collection, Creativity Shapes. And I found a ghost and a shadow for a ghost, and he's going to go right here. But what I'm going to do is put him on an action wobble or wibble. I call them wibble wobbles because I make them myself. So I'm going to put, and I have a video on how to make my wibble wobbles on my channel, but I might do another one, more recent one, and show you again how to make those. Economically speaking, they're about 50 cents if you purchase each one. I can make them for a penny, or you and I can make them for a penny. So anyway, there's my wibble wobble. Hello, Mr. Ghost. Then I went to the Bats and Cats collection of Halloween icons, and I found a bat. He'll go up there, and I found some stars, and I think I'll put 3 stars on there. And then I have a cute little Halloween card ready to mail. In fact, it doesn't even need, to me, any stamping, because it's got trick or treat on here and happy Halloween and boo and whatever. So if you don't want to stamp at all, you just put stuff together and then you've got it. So this is my card using Cardztv number 16 Kitten Kaboodle sketch, and I will scoot out of here. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and you might try doing some little Halloween things. Maybe it'll get cool. I love talking to all of you. I love talking to myself. I'm gonna get out of here. Ta-ta.